Villahermosa. Ever supportive Vice Mayor Albert Villahermosa. Workaholic is the members. Our guest, Ma'am Helisa Abadi, the Holy Child NPC General Manager. Active Municipal Cooperative Development Specialist 1, Ms. Rosario Silipian. Energetic heads and managers, staffs, participants, and members of the cooperatives from Hilongos Multipurpose Cooperative, Libercon Multipurpose Cooperative, HNBS Team Cooperative, HNBS.
Laos na kayo, na-busy sila sa area meet.
Agotayan Farmers Agriculture Cooperative, Padre Vicente Farmers Cooperative, Metro Ormoc Community MPC, Holy Child MPC, Southern Leyte Employee MPC, and Lamang MPC. Anak ko mo pa dahil pila na ay ang cooperatives na di karon ng present.
Pito.
7 out of 9. Okay. Once again, maayong hapon ang tanan.
Hapon.
As we close today's training on financial literacy, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone for your active participation and eagerness to learn. Ang inyong presensya karon nagpangatod na buhi kung lingkod ang espiritu sa kooperatiba dire sa atong komunidad sa Hilongos. Our team, cooperatives, united in purpose and action, sharing prosperity to build a better world, remind us that true progress begins when we work together, when we share one vision, one purpose, and one heart for the common good. Ang financial literacy, usa ka importante ng kabahin sa atong pagpalingkamot. Responsable ang matag miyembro sa kooperatiba. Through knowledge and unity, we can build cooperatives that are not only sustainable, but also capable of uplifting the lives of many. As Municipal Councilor of Chairman on Cooperative, padayon ko na magsuporta sa mga programa nga nagpalibon sa edukasyon o kalampuan sa atong mga kooperatiba. Magtinapangayta sa pagpalambok sa atong ekonomiya o sa paghatag o mas daghang oportunidad alang sa tanan. Let us continue to work hand in hand, united in purpose and action, so we mutually share prosperity and build a better world for the next generation. O